Welcome, loyal members, new and rejoined. Thank you so much for your support. Naturaliza, own a fan, total time as member 14 months. Myrna, own a fan, total time as member 12 months. Peter, O&A fan, total time as member 10 months. Don Gordon, O&A believer, total time as member 15 months. Thank you so much, Don Gordon. I really appreciate all your support. Evan, O&A groupie, total time as member 13 months. Thank you so much, Evan, for your generous donations. Welcome back, Chatty Cathy. O&A fan, total time as member 8 months. Thank you so much. Welcome back, Randy Ruck, O&A believer, total time as member 6 months. Thank you so much. The next 20 gifted membership was gifted by Randy Ruck. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Welcome, new and rejoined O&A fan. Thank you so much, Randy Ruck, for the gifted memberships here. Welcome back, Gabriella, Addie, Peggy, Jennifer, Renee, Starling, Crying Hippie, Ant-Man, 21st Century Walks, Kevin Wu, Rejoined, O&A fan. Thank you to Randy Ruck for the gifted memberships. Welcome, Carla, Violet, Chuckle, Bert, Teddy Bear, Diva, Jenny City TV, Mr. Gamer, Mark D, Pickard. Welcome to the new O&A fan group. Thank you, Randy Ruck, gifted memberships. Okay, the next 10 gifted membership was gifted by Randy again. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, Randy. Welcome, Dale, MN, LRM Guitars, Mr. OT, Yash, George, or Away, or whatever, George, Lori, Fiona, Fakey Fake, Jack CW. Welcome to the new O&A fan, and thank you, Randy Ruck, for the gifted memberships. Thank you so much, Randy Ruck, for spoiling me with all the gifted memberships here. I'm so grateful. Just lost with words. You're so generous. So thank you for topping up the curse jar, jokes and all. Yeah, so just very, very grateful. Thank you. The next 6 gifted membership was gifted by Evan. Thank you so much, Evan. I really appreciate it. I love that you are supporting my channel. Thank you so much. Welcome, JD, Tyrese, Midtown, Moonlight, Yvonne, Retro, and Kimberly. Welcome back, or welcome a new O&A fan. Thank you so much, Evan. Thanks for the gifted membership. Welcome back, Bear in the Garden, Rejoined O&A fan, total time as member 1 month. Thank you so much. Welcome back, Al, Rejoined O&A fan, gifted by Bear in the Garden. Thank you so much, Bear in the Garden, for the gifted membership. Welcome back, Mike Russell, Rejoined O&A fan, total time as member 7 months. Thank you, Chatty Cathy, for the gifted membership. Welcome, Mr. Clean, newly joined O&A fan, total time as member 5 days. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you, everyone, for all your support. Everyone else that has gifted memberships. Thank you, Chatty Cathy, Evan. Thank you to Peter, everyone, Don Gordon, Naturaliza, recently on the streams donating. Also, thank you to Don Gordon for supporting me all this time. Thank you to Myrna as well. Thank you to Addie, Bear in the Garden, and of course, thank you again to Randy Ruck for spoiling me as well, everyone. You guys all have been spoiling me. I really appreciate it. So grateful of your generosity. Cheers. Even just giving me donations, super chats throughout the streams and all that it's just awesome. And I'm really grateful for everyone here as a member and just as a viewer. Just awesome group of O&A fans, believers, and groupies. Thank you again. Cheers. Thank you so much, everyone.